Welcome to the Chiefs Way. Now mash that subscribe button or drop and give me 50!
Hey YouTube, today we're going to be doing an overview and an installation of this EMP Shield Micro. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, please hit that super thanks button. Let's get started. If you like this EMP Shield Micro or any of the other EMP Shield products, click on the link in the description and you'll get a $50 discount. Remember, click that link and get a $50 discount. Okay, we actually have two of the EMP Shield vehicle protection modules here. One, we have the standard one and the micro. This micro is 78% smaller than the regular one, but it has the exact same protection. Okay, these are listed by the Department of Homeland Security as a required or needed device. Okay, they come with new LEDs that only pull 18.4 microamps, so it's never going to run your battery down. Okay, I have a 10-year policy or warranty where if anything happens to this or any of their EMP products within 10 years, like there's a lightning strike and it stops working, then you can get it replaced for $50. Okay, they also have a lightning insurance policy that comes with it of $25,000 if you have lightning damage and you have this product working. And they come with Velcro on the bottom, so you can industrial size Velcro where you can attach it under the hood of your vehicle. It also comes with a second piece of Velcro, so you can have it like in multiple vehicles, so quickly move it between one vehicle to another. Say you have it in your Jeep and you want to move it over into your ATV or something. Okay, so the reason I have this micro is because it's so much smaller. Its overall length is 5 inches by 1 3/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches tall, where this one is 5 3/4 inches wide by 2 3/4 inches by 2 5/8 inches tall. I have a van that the engine compartment is just chock full of stuff. There ain't a lot of room anywhere, so that's why I needed to go with the EMP Shield Micro. If you've seen it, look in my other video. I did an install on a Subaru Outback of the another brand of this item. Okay, so if you wanted to see that video, go look it up. But this is about the EMP Shield Micro because this is the only one that comes in this size. I haven't been able to find them anywhere really smaller than this. The normal one and the other brand that I used on another vehicle are all these large ones. This is the only one you can find that is this small. All right, so let's get into the installation. All right, these are a few of the basic items we're going to use. Okay, I got a cable protector, pair of diagonal cutters. I have my EMP shield, paper towels, a socket set, some wet wipes, and some alcohol. All right, let's get started. And we're also going to have this soft wire brush here. It's made of brass just to clean up connection areas. All right, here's the battery area. And you see it's pretty full in here. But I think just in this little bitty space down here, I may be able to get this to stick in there, along there, but we're gonna have to clean that area off and use alcohol so that the Velcro will stick good there and it won't come loose. All right, so let's start by getting that area cleaned up. Okay, I cleaned it down there and I wiped it dry with paper towel. Now I'm gonna clean it with alcohol. Okay, it's been cleaned with alcohol. Now we're going to actually install the wire protectors onto the wires before putting it in there. All that wire protector cover has been installed, so now we need to go look and see where we're going to hook up these things at. At this junction point here where it goes down from the one big one to the three smaller cable protectors, I put a wire tie there to hold the whole thing together. We're going to start with the green ground terminal is going to come right here to the ground lug. This is where, if you look at right here, when you jump it, you put your jumper cables right on there. So we're going to put that green wire right down there with that. Okay, down here we got to move this air intake out of the way. Okay, our black wire is going to hook right here on the black terminal, and then if we open up this red box, we're going to hook our red wire right up to this terminal right here. So let's go ahead and start getting that done. And we're going to get it all hooked up first, and then we're going to try to get all that extra wire stuff back down in this area, okay, and then get our piece in and Velcro it in place. I used the wire brush on the end of this bolt here and on down around the terminal to make the best connection possible. All right, now I'm going to do a continuity check between that point and the black side of the battery, make sure it's a good chassis ground. So let's see here if I can do this with one hand. And you're going to hear the beep. All right, so we got good continuity. Again, I used a wire brush, clean up the spot for the red connection. Okay, got that all tightened down. Now we just need to hook up the black side. Okay, we got the black wire connected here. So if we look up, we should have a light, and we do. So we're being protected right now. So let's close up the positive side. So we don't need that hooked up right now. Okay, and we got to get this mess back into here, and then this into where we cleaned, and stick it to the frame. So let me get working on that. Okay, I got it all in there. Okay, and I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, well, it is what it is. I see I had to stuff actually some of the down in by where the fender is. So I got some of that wire protector going in down there. So, I mean, it's in, everything's protected. The light is on, so we know it's working. And that's a wrap, I guess. So if you like the, oh, hold on. Not done until the job is done, right? Put in the airflow. Airflow, there we go. The duct is in. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And remember, if you'd like to support the channel, hit that super thanks button. We'll see you in the next one.